Alright, what's good guys? It's your boy Rack. Today we're gonna run these two cars. What? 09 Genesis Sedan 4.6. So my mods, cast can, cold air intake, and a muffler delete, and a 9-drive throttle controller.
The Henny, I don't need a change. We dodging the feds and catching no case. I stay in the trap, get racks every day. She fuck with me now.
Tell us your mods, please.
For us, we got cannon, drop-in, resonator, muffler, gutted caps.
And gutted secondary caps.
Gutted secondary
Yep.
caps. We have the main ones. I still have those secondary caps, but they're gutted. And then that's all. Nothing too special. But
And you have the 8-speed.
8-speed automatic.
Yep.
Which helps.
Yeah.
It's quick, but you know that 9-drive definitely is a good out.
Yep.
6 speed makes it, you know,
So
helps it a lot.
So damn. Yeah, that's enough. Oh.
I know the gas station people appreciate that.
I know, dude. Yeah.
I would hit one around 110. So you know the heat thing?
Yeah.
It would it's all the way almost it was all the way up to almost the high sea level.
Really?
Yeah, I think
Is it still there?
No, it's just above halfway.
Damn. Cause I didn't have my thing all the way up. Like when we did the pools, I had it on one comfort mode.
Really?
Yeah.
See, I wonder if it went in the lit mode because it was heat soaked.
I don't know. They were good runs.
They were good
yeah.
runs. Yeah.
Yep.
I'm thinking that's why.
Yep.
Maybe I do need an intake, but yeah,
I mean now we know my intakes works as the same as yours. You know what I mean? Like the filter.
But the filter.
Drop it.
I know mine's not that restrictive.
Yeah.
Whenever I'm in I always flip mine back over the drive. Whenever I'm in sport, I'll flip it over the drive, and then the car usually
Yep. Short shifts.
So that's probably because were you right at 6,000 the whole time?
I have no idea, but it keeps going.
But
when it gets to 4, you can feel it kind of shifts hard. You know what I mean?
Because when my car shifts at 6,000, it goes all the way up to 4, and then it has to go all the way back down to 6. So I think with 9-drive, it's keeping it right in the power band for you.
Yep. So now we know this piece of shit is faster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
phone dropping tears. I get more vulnerable when I can feel. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. For the real one, exactly what it is. I'll say it cause you know that's why I want to.
I've been trapping around the world. I sit on my balcony and wonder how you feeling. I got a career that takes my time away from women. I cannot convince you that I love you for a living.